I was sent this Wedge pillow set in exchange for my honest review. So let's take a look at this thing. Just so you know, when it comes shipped, it is vacuum sealed. So the entire set is this tiny. So it's heavy, but tiny. They also, you get the manual here, and you also get 2 vacuum sealable bags so that if you ever need to store this or travel with it, you can shrink it up again so that it becomes super small. So I'm going to cut this plastic and then we're gonna let it expand overnight, but you don't have to wait that long because I'll come right back to you. Just be careful when you're cutting these open that you don't cut into the actual item itself. So just be really careful about that. I always love opening these things up that are vacuum sealed because you can hear it, listen. You can hear the air getting sucked in. It's very cool. And just watch how fast it's growing. Like, whoa. It's amazing. Look at this. It's just growing and growing. Ugh. Oh, there is the head pillow, I believe. I can't believe how big this got that quickly. Like, it's only been a couple seconds. So here we go. I am going to let this fully expand. I'm gonna let it sit maybe overnight, and then I'm gonna set it all up on the bed, test it out, and give you a review. While I'm waiting for this stuff to completely expand, the truth is it's only been a few minutes, and to me it looks like it's already fully expanded. But I figure I'd take this time to show you some of the cool features. So first of all, it's a really cool, obviously a really good memory foam that goes boom right back to its original shape. You can remove these covers because they have a zipper that you can just unzip, and you can remove the padding and you can wash this. So that's pretty awesome. There are multiple ways to use this, so you don't have to use a specific setup. I've already found one that I like. For me, it's like the perfect thing to sit and read a book or to watch a movie. It makes my back very comfortable when I sit like this. I'll show you in just a second. But you can also, and they show you a whole bunch of ways in the manual, where you can use, instead of using the pillow, for example, or the lumbar part, you can put that on the side and have armrest. You can have your knees bent, you can have your knees straight. You could use this to put your legs in these little grooves. I tend to use it this way. Because you'll see why. I'll show you in a second. Actually, let me show you now. This is how I like to use this. So this is the setup that I decided to go with. And you'll see I have a lumbar support right here. I use this kind of on my upper back. And this layout here, it'll make sense once I sit in it. Now the couch I'm using here is pretty short for me. I'm pretty tall, so my feet are gonna hang over a little bit. It doesn't matter for this, it's still super comfortable. You're gonna notice on the lumbar pillow, which I have set up here, and the neck pillow, or for me it's the upper back pillow, these have Velcro tabs on the sides, and this curved pillow right here has Velcro from this point all the way down to there. So you can adjust it accordingly and make it a perfect fit for you. All right, so this tends to be the perfect setup for me as far as comfort goes. It allows me to sit straight up and down. I wouldn't lean my head back to watch a movie anyway, so this keeps me so my posture is perfect for sitting, watching a movie. Reading a book like this would be super comfortable. And the thing I find myself doing already is I do VR. So I'll put this on and sit and watch a movie in VR, but I have lots of room to move my hands. I can play a game. I absolutely love this. It's super comfortable and I highly recommend it.